Hi, this is Dr. Palmier, and I'm here to show you how to make a quick blog. It's very simple. So just follow me and I'll show you how it works. It's very simple. So we're going to start from the, this is the website. We're going to go to blog, all public blogs. We're going to click on team blog or any other blog that we have access to. We're going to come down to the bottom and just click on blog admin. We're going to, I'm already logged in, I'm going to log out, I'm going to log back in as me, and it kind of remembers if you're on the same computer. And then we're going to go to post. These are the posts that I have control of. I'm going to add a post, and I'm going to choose the category. These are the categories. This is for people helping become moderators, quotes, reflections. So we'll do event and review. It's me. Title will be Robot Event, October. What was it last weekend? Was it the put the date in? We'll put there. This is typing. Whoops. Well, that wasn't good. So we'll just clean that up. Put what you want. Okay, we're going to come right here at the beginning and put a space there. We're going to insert an image. We're going to click on this. We can add files by clicking on here and finding them on our computer. We can just click on, once we have them uploaded, we can click on the logo, and there it is. That's where it was, where we uploaded it from. And I don't know how big it is. It's 50 by 50, but there it is. So we're going to insert that. And then we can add a line. If we want to put a line, we can put a horizontal line. We can add more stuff, whatever we want. Then what we're going to do is we're going to make it, we can leave it inactive if we're not ready to publish it, or we can make it active and we can save it. Now when we go back and look at it, see the robot events there. If we go back to the admin, okay, if we go back to the admin, then if we have anything that we want, we can make it however we want. So we'll go back to the posts, and this was the one we were working on, so we'll click on that. And then what we want to do is we want to add an image here. So what we're going to do is we need to find something that we can add. So do we have an image? Well, we don't have an image. So what we need to do is we need to go to Usign, bring Usign in here. Here's Usign, and just put here, let's just get rid of this, and let's just add some text, and we'll just have it say example. Okay, and we'll make that stretch a little bit. And then we can save it here, or we can just download it here. It's 275 by 175. That's what I want. So I'm going to save it here as WM example. I like WM for webmasters, and I save it as .jpg. And then I save it, and then I come back. Let's move this out of the way. Close this. Come back here. I browse to this is where I put it. If you remember, I used WM, and there's my example. I open it. It's very important to stay organized here. You'll really go down the rabbit hole and waste your time. So there it is, saved. There's my placard. See it? I can change it however I want. Usign allows me to do that. And then I go to here, will take me to the blog, and there it is. When I click on that, it takes me to the actual post. And that's all there is to it. You can add, if you want to add video, you can add video. We go down here if we wanted to. All we have to do is know if we wanted to go to posts. If you're going to go, you can't, I don't want you adding video to this team blog, but if you're on the V blog, you could easily do it. Put video on the video blog, mostly video of yourself. But if we wanted to add video here, we would just insert video, and then we would find the embed code. What's that mean? Well, the embed code has to do with the nature of where it is on YouTube. So if we go to YouTube, we'll just find something that's anything that we want. So let's find creative people who are at another level. That's a good one. And we'll just go to share. Oh, stop that. Be quiet. So we'll skip ads. We'll go to share. We'll go to embed. We'll copy the embed. That's all that's copied. Then we'll get rid of this. We don't need this anymore. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to, so we're back at the team blog page. So we'll look, this is the one we were playing with. So we'll go here. If we wanted to add, under vblog, if we wanted to add, we're not going to allow you to put video blogs of too much stuff here. Mostly the vblog, which is the video blog, has to do with you taking videos of yourself. But just to show you how it works, if we inserted video, all we would do is click on embed, the code that we copied, paste it here, and there it is. And then we would save it, and then we would go to posts, and there it is. We click on it, it brings the movie up. There's the movie. So it doesn't really show too well there, but we can click on there. So I hope this helped, and we're at 6 minutes and 45 seconds.